What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be telling you how I bought this F150 by selling WWE action figures. So we are here in my brand new 2005 F150. I'm gonna tell you guys all about how I picked this bad boy up by selling WWE action figures and other random junk and stuff around the house, and how you can do it too. Get yourself a nice sweet piece like this. All right guys, so a while ago, you guys might remember, I made a video about me going to a garage sale and flipping some WWE action figures that I picked up personally for 10 bucks. And here is that sweet sign. There's a crate of WWE action figures. The guy was asking $1 each or $20 for the whole crate. I hit him with a 10 bucks for the whole crate. He said, sure, take them, get rid of them. I don't want them anymore. And I got the sweet crate with it. Long story short, put them on eBay and sold them for 100 bucks. Boom, $100. So number one way to do this is go out to your garage sales, flea markets, stuff like that. Look for junk that people don't want and buy it and put it on eBay. And I knew in the back of my mind that WWE action figures were gonna be something that was gonna sell because they're old enough in mid-90s that's kind of vintage and people are interested in collecting it, and it's something that brings people back to their childhood. So that's stuff that's always gonna sell. With selling old crap around the house that we really didn't need, i.e. Jackie's old Apple Watch. She just upgraded to a Galaxy Note 10S Plus, whatever it is. So she couldn't use her Apple Watch anymore. Apple Watches are a hot product. If you see those anywhere that are going cheap enough, or if you have them laying around your house, even the old 1 series, that's what this one was. Put it on Facebook Marketplace because that's the easiest thing to do. Sold it for 100 bucks like that. Some guy wanted it for his daughter. It was like a light blue color, the smaller version. $100 into our bank account. So the number 2 way is taking your old junk, taking your stuff that you don't need, putting it on Facebook Marketplace. Now, something to touch on here is you're gonna make more money on Facebook Marketplace, but it's more screwing around with people that want you to drive places, might not have money, want to trade junk, whatever. Versus eBay, where it's real easy, anybody all over the world can buy your stuff, but then you gotta deal with PayPal fees, eBay fees, taking time to ship it, and all that kind of nonsense. The next thing I did was my parents were renovating their house. They were trying to get rid of all this old furniture that they didn't want. And they were gonna call the local Goodwill. They were gonna come pick it up, take it, and get rid of it for nothing. So my mom was like, hey, do you want this old furniture? And I said, yeah, I'll take it, I'll sell it. Now, the downside to this was it took probably about a month to get rid of almost everything. I still have a couple pieces left. Stuff that they were just gonna get rid of, I was able to make a profit on, like an old couch, a table I sold for $50, an old rug that had been in our house for 15 years, I bet. Some lady bought it on Let Go for 50 bucks. So boom, right there, we're up to more money. Now this is where this is gonna get a little bit important, and it's gonna be better when you have more money to be able to do this. So I used all that stuff. I think I had like close to $500, and my buddy was selling some stuff out of his garage that, again, he just wanted to let go. Needed money like quick, he was going on a trip, wanted money. And I said, hey, like, let me buy this stuff from you. I'll give you a good deal. I'll give you cash right now. And that was worth more to him than the extra money and waiting. So I got a bunch of paintball stuff that all in all, I paid him $350 for. I ended up selling everything there for close to, I think, 500. So I profited about 150. Then you got to think of eBay fees, PayPal fees, taxes, all that kind of stuff. All in all, I was up to about $650. And my last garage sale flip was a PlayStation 3 that I bought for 20 bucks. I went to another garage sale that same day and bought 2 games for 50 cents. 2 PlayStation 3 games for 50 cents. Which, what was important with that is if you have like a bundle, people are gonna be more interested in buying bundles and showing more value, because games are $50 or $60 brand new. They don't know that you just bought these things at a yard sale for 50 cents for 2 of them, and they're gonna think they're getting a good value, which they are. Just me going out and putting the work in is what got me where I needed to be. Round this all up, I have about $780, I think, at the end of it. I've been looking for a truck. I've been wanting to buy a truck, and the reason I want a truck is because there's tons of opportunity to flip more stuff when you have a truck. There's a lot of people out there that don't have trucks and are trying to get rid of stuff. You can search Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace for free stuff all the time. People are trying to get rid of couches, TVs, dining room tables, stuff like that they just want out of their house and they don't have a way to get it out, so they're offering it for free. Now I take that same couch or whatever I go pick up for free, offer it for 50 bucks, clean it up, do whatever I have to, and somebody thinks they're getting a good value on a $50 couch. It's all perceived value. So even if I asked $100 for that couch and they gave me 50 and I let them have it, they're gonna think they got a good deal. So to bring this all around circle, this all started with me buying $10 worth of action figures, getting rid of some junk, and what I was able to do was I put that $700 down on the truck, got approved instantly, just because anytime you guys go to buy a truck or you go to buy a car and anything like that, one of the biggest thing above, kind of close to your credit score is always going to matter, but having money down really, really matters. If you guys can come up with $500 to $1,000, chances of you getting approved are really good, especially on a truck that only costs a couple $1,000s like this. Now, the reason I financed it was if you can get a low enough percentage interest rate, it's better to use your money in other places, invest in other things, and have your money work for you rather than just pay it all up front at once. Now, I know people like to not be tied down by payments and all that stuff. If that's your gig, that's cool, that's fine. Hey, that car was at the